Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Interlace your fingers. Bring them in and up and over your head. And as you do, breathe in and come up on your toes. Breathe out, come down. Bring the hands up again without interlacing your fingers to the waist. Breathing in. Turn them over, push down and breathe out. And these exercises you can also use if you want to lose a bit of weight, but you keep doing this until you feel hot and sweaty. Or if you want to give them another number, you do 32 times. 2 or 3 times a day, and it will reset your body. Michelle will now demonstrate pushing the sky. Just lift the hands to the navel, not to the stomach, just to here, and then turn the arms over. Turn the forearms over, yes, like that. Push, hold it for 3 seconds, breathe out. Breathe in and down. Okay, good.